Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine and in good condition of Iman. Today we are going to do English task of day 6. We will read book page number 47 and we will write on workbook page number 34 and 35. So let's open your English reading book. Page number 47. We are going to practice sounds with U. U. What is the sound of U? Sounds with Listen, look and read. Look at first column. When we combine the sound of and b, it will become ub. B, ub. Now we will join the sound ub with other letters or other sounds to make different words. Look at the first word of first column. K, ub, khub. H, ub, hub. Next is r, ub, rub. Next, s, ub, sub. Last is t, ub, tub. Let's revise this column. A, b, ub. K, ub, khub. H, ub, hub. R, ub, rub. S, ub, sub. T, ub, tub. Come to the second column. When we combine the sounds of a and d, it will become ud. Now join the sound ud with other sounds to make new words. B, ud, bud. K, ud, khud. D, ud, dud. M, ud, mud. S, ud, sud. Repeat it again. A, d, ud. B, ud, bud. K, ud, khud. D, ud, dud. M, ud, mud. S, ud, sud. Now come to the third column. We are going to combine the sounds of a and g. It will become ug. So let's join the sound ug with other sounds. B, ug, bug. H, ug, hug. J, ug, jug. M, ug, mug. R, ug, rug. Let's revise. B, ug, bug. H, ug, hug. J, ug, jug. M, ug, mug. R, ug, rug. So students, after revising these three columns, read some meaningful words. Look at the pictures. Yes, which is the first picture? It is a cub of a beer. So how to read cub? K, ub, cub. K, ub, cub. Look at the second picture. It's a tub, bathtub. So how to read tub? T, ub, tub. T, ub, tub. Look at the next picture. What is it? It's a bud of a rose flower or any other flower. So how to read bud? B, ud, bud. B, ud, bud. Look at the next picture. It is a rug. R, ug, rug. R, ug, rug. How to read rug? R, ug, rug. Yes, last picture is of an insect. It is a bug. So how to read bug? B, ug, bug. B, ug, bug. So students, revise it 2 or 3 times. After revision of reading, you will start your workbook work. So open your English workbook page number 34. Before writing, recite Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We are going to do capital and small letters. What we are going to do? Capital and small letters. Write and practice. M, N, O, P. Small m, small n, small o, small p. So let's start. We will write M in first 3 lines. Make a standing line from first to third line. Then start from first line, make a slanting line towards right side till third line. Then start a slanting line and go upward till first line. Then make a standing line from first to third line. It is capital M. Now we will write small m in middle 2 lines. Start from second line, make a standing line till third line. Then from the middle of this standing line, make a upward slanting line till second line. Make a curve, come down, make a standing line till third line. Then from the middle of this standing line, make a slanting line and a curve. Then come back to the third line and curve it towards right. It is small m. Capital M, small m, M. Now write N. Start from first line, make a standing line till third line. Now again go upward. Start from second line, make a slanting line towards right side till third line. Then go upward, make a standing line till first line. From third to first line, it is capital N. Now we will write small n. We will start from second line and make standing line till third line. From the mid of this standing line, make a slanting line till second line, then curve it and come down till third line and then curve it towards right. It is small n, 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 m, n, n. What is the sound of m and n? Yes, now we will start capital O. Capital O will be in first three line. It is a circle. So it is capital O, and small o will be in second and third line. It is a small circle in second and third line. O, 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 O. Now P, P. You will write P in first three lines. Make a standing line from first to third line. Then make half circle in first and second line. P, P, capital P. Now write small p. We will start from second line, make a standing line till third line. Then make a circle in second and third line, which will join this standing line. It is small p, capital P, small p, M, N, O, O, P, P. So after completing this line, you will complete remaining three lines in neat writing and you will write in proper lines. Complete these three lines. Now here we have an activity. Ahmed is shopping. Can you help Ahmed in buying oranges, peaches, mangoes and a newspaper? Look at his cart. Now we will add oranges in his cart. His cart is empty. Add oranges, then add peaches in his cart. So join the cart with peaches. What else he wants to buy? Mangoes. Here are mangoes. Let's add mangoes in his cart. Yes, he also wants to buy a newspaper. So add newspaper in his cart. Where is newspaper? Here it is. So add it in his cart. It was your today's activity. Now you will do next page. So open your workbook, page number 35. We are going to write capital and small letters. Write and practice. Q, R, S, T. Small q, small r, small s, small t. Let's write Q, Q. Q will be in first three lines. Make a circle from first to third line. Then make a slanting line from the mid of second and third line till third line. Q, K. Let's write small right in last three lines. Start from second line. Make a standing line till third line. Then curve it towards right. Then make a circle from the mid of second line and join it with standing line. Q, K, Q, K, R. Now write capital R. Start from first line, make a standing line till third line, then make half circle in first and second line, then make a slanting line in second and third line, slanting line towards right side, R, R. Now you will write small r. Small r will be in middle two lines from second to third line, R, 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 R. Now write S. Capital S will start from first line till third line. Capital S will be in first to third line and small s will be in second to third line, middle two lines. S, S, S. We have written Q, R, S. Now we are going to write T, T. Make a standing line from first to third line. then a sleeping line on first line. It is capital T. Now write small t. Start from mid of first and second line. Make a standing line till third line. Then curve it towards right. It is small t. Q R S T. Make a sleeping line on T. Now after completing first line, after writing Q R S T, you will complete rest of the three lines in the same way in neat writing. Then we will do this interesting activity. Rizwan decides to do one good deed every week. Help him share a quilt with the needy boy by coloring the quilt. Now Rizwan is giving or sharing a quilt with the needy boy. Let's color his quilt. Make outline. You can take any color for the quilt. Make outline with every line. Outline should be dark. Then you will fill color inside. Fill the color properly in each box. There should not be any white space. Do you know helping others is a good habit? Yes, it is sunnah also. We should help needy people. When we help others, Allah helps us. If Rizwan is giving him quilt, Allah will give him more. Allah will give Rizwan more. Do you know when we want to help someone or give something to a needy person, we should give them the good things, the things which we like for ourselves. So, if we like good things for ourselves, we should share the same things with others. And when Rizwan gives this quilt to needy person, he says Jazakallah. What he says? Jazakallah. And in return, Rizwan says Wa iyaka. Rizwan says Wa iyaka. When someone helps you, you will say Jazakallah. Do you say Jazakallah instead of thank you? We should not say thank you. We should say Jazakallah. And when anybody says you Jazakallah, in return, you should say Wa iyaka. Don't say thank you and welcome. Okay, students? It was your today's task, and after completing your work, you will say Alhamdulillah.